What up guys, we just pulled up to the Alameda Skate Park. It's a really unique park. It's got a lot of fun obstacles here and it should be easy to get pretty creative. It's probably about 90 degrees right now and we are dying, so we're gonna get right into the tour. Now this park is known for its transition. Everything here is super mellow. It's got a lot of fun bowls and they're all great if you're a beginner. They got a sick fun box here in the middle. It's got hips going all the way around it and some pretty cool ledges on it. They're super thin, but some of them are really steep. They also got a long ledge and a parking block here behind me. If you're more of a street skater, you'll love this. It looks like someone just quick-created this bank right here and launch out of it, ride up and grind. Should be pretty fun. And that's about everything here at the Alameda Skate Park. I'm pretty excited to try it out and just have some fun. I missed it. Sean, you like the park?
Everything is funky, dude. I can't get used to it yet. Give me like 20 minutes and then I'll give you an opinion.
I'm scared. I'm not doing that again.
And I think that is going to be it for our tour of the Alameda Skate Park. Now we definitely had a fun time, but there's a few things you need to know before you come out. This bowl's actually really hard to skate. It is disproportionate. This side is super steep while this side is pretty much a bank. And then the back wall is also a bank. Makes it really weird if you're trying to go back and forth like a half pipe. Aside from just the big bowl, all the smaller transition is also super mellow. They're almost like hips. So it can make it a little frustrating if you're trying to hold long grinds on there. But if you can pull it off, it's still pretty fun and it's definitely really easy to learn on.
Overall, this park is very funky. All the ramps are different. Every transition to every ramp is different. The coping sticks out different on every ramp. There's maybe a lump on the ramp that makes it a little odd to hit or lock in on.
This park was made a long time ago, so it's all you people who skate in those brand new 2020, 2018 skate parks. This is gonna be a lot harder to skate for you guys. The layout has like a good concept, but the actual like grade of the skate park and how it's made isn't that good, and it kind of makes everything a little more difficult to skate.
I think my favorite thing about this park is just the fact that it's like in such a cut spot. I didn't know there would be a skate park back here. When you were taking us here, we're going on like this military base, and you got all these shipping containers in the background, and like it's literally just in like the middle of this old not used military base. We're surrounded by nothing, so it's kind of cool.
This park also has a barbecue here, so if you want to hang with the boys, barbecue up, skate a little bit, might be a good place.
They do have a water fountain here, so you can refill your bottles, and they got a smelly porta potty in the corner, so better than nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Alameda Skate Park. We definitely had a fun day. If you guys are new here, check out our channel. We post new skate park tours, street spot checks, product reviews every single week, and we're on a journey to hit every single skate park in the world. So subscribe to the channel if you want to come along on the journey. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next week with some more intel. Peace.